Hello you guys, and thanks for tuning in. This is Shell's Kitchen, back at you with another great video. Today we will be making roll-ups, one of my family's favorites. If you have kids, they will love them. This is a quick meal you can make, especially after a busy work day, busy school day. Something you can make in about 25 minutes and be done with it. So let's get started. So like I said, we will be making pizza rolls. This will be a short video because, again, this is a really quick and simple video, quick recipe. So what you would need is croissants. These croissants you can get over there where your shredded cheese is and butter, that type of stuff is where you find the croissants. They come in an 8 count. So I went ahead and got 2 so I can make 16 because we have a family of 5. I also have some pepperonis here, turkey pepperonis. You can get whatever pepperonis you want. You can use whatever type of meat you want. If you want to use hamburger meat or sausage, please feel free to do so. You will also need some mozzarella cheese. Again, you can use whatever type of cheese you like. I just like mozzarella cheese with mine, but you can use provolone, cheddar, whatever kind of cheese you would like to use. You will also need some type of pizza sauce for dipping. So when you get done, you'll see the finished product. You will need it to dip. And then you will need butter to brush them afterwards. And I'll show you where all that comes into play. So look, you just need these simple items. You need some pepperonis, some cheese, croissants, and some pizza sauce, basically. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do first is I'll go ahead and open these up. I'm going to bam it a little bit. When you take them out, they look like this. This is what your croissant will look like. What you want to do is unroll it, like so. And what I normally do, you see how they got the line right there? I normally just break it. Work with one half, and then go back to the other half. Give me a plate. Me a plate to store the extras. Actually, I'm gonna grab another plate, y'all, for when I'm rolling them up. So, alright, so then when you tear it, you see it's like that. It's about 4 of them. You just want to, they got the little dotted lines for you to tear. So you just want to tear along the dotted line. And you want to sit it like this, like a triangle. Just like that. Then you get your pepperonis. You can put as many as you like or as less as you like. I normally put about 4 to 5 pepperonis. And then you get your cheese, your mozzarella or whatever cheese you would like to use. I like mine to be cheesy, so I put a lot of cheese. Then what you do, you all trying to just tuck it, and roll it on up. A pizza roll. And you just want to continue to do this all the way until you're done. Put about a tablespoon of cheese on each one. Once you're done rolling it, add it to your cookie sheet. So as y'all see here, I have a cookie sheet lined with aluminum foil. This is an old pan. It's a really old pan. So I still want to put it to use, so I do so, and I just add foil to cover it up. And yeah. Alright, now we're going to do our third one. I can do them both at the same time, y'all. You just want to add your pepperonis. Put your cheese. And roll them up. Stop it if you don't. And we can come back when they all roll.
I'm gonna fast forward you doing it.
Alright. so this is the finished product, you all. I have rolled all of our pizza roll-ups. And with this recipe, what I love about it is that you can do so much with it. If you're a vegetarian or if you're vegan, you can definitely, well, probably not vegan, but if you're a vegetarian, you can definitely put, you know, all your onions and peppers and your mushrooms, whatever you guys eat. You can also wrap it up in here as well. Great, great recipe. As you see, it was quick and simple. Just roll them all up. My kids love these. My husband, he actually eats them too. As you see here in the background, I did go get a salad. So the salad will be the side. So yeah, just got my salad, got my ranch, cucumber, and tomato. And I'll show you all how I plate it. We're going to put this in the oven at 350. We're going to put this in the oven at 350, you all, for about 20 minutes or so. And then we'll take it from there. Yeah, so it's been about 20-25 minutes. This is what they look like as they come out. Like these done went together. But yeah, this is the finished product. What I have here is some butter. That butter you all seen earlier, what I did was just microwave it for about 45 minutes to melt it. Here I have some Italian seasoning that I'm going to put inside the butter. So you just put it in there like that. And then you want to just give it a little stir. And then what you want to do is lightly brush your pizza rolls. And it smells so good, y'all. I wish y'all could smell this. But y'all will smell it when y'all make it yourselves. For y'all little families. So I promise you, you will not have no complaints, especially from the kids. They're going to eat these things up. Looking for more. This is a fun, easy recipe. And you all, you can have the kids do them too. This is something you could do with the kids. Have them make their own. That's it. Don't they look delicious? Alright, so I'm going to show you how I plate it. First I want to take one. I was hoping it had the whole cheesy effect. This must not have been a real cheesy one, but yeah. Delicious. Got your pepperoni in there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and plate it. Let me get me a spatula. Voila. And you just take your pizza roll and you dip it in your pizza sauce and enjoy. And I'm going to add the salad and stuff. As y'all all can see, this is the finished product. I have the salad, just regular salad mix. I added some cheese, tomatoes and cucumbers, and salt and pepper to garnish. Delicious. Got my pizza sauce and got my pizza rolls. And it's time to enjoy. This again was a quick, easy recipe. I hope you all enjoy. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. If you have any questions or again any videos you all would like for me to see me cook, please comment below in the comments and I'll be more than happy to do that. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.